Hi everyone. Today we're going to study equations of tangent line and normal line. Given the function y equals f of x, and this is the curve. Now we have a tangent line that intersects the curve at the point x sub 1, y sub 1. The derivative of the function at a specific point x sub 1, y sub 1 is the slope of the tangent line to the curve at that point, which was denoted by m. It means in symbol we write m equals f prime of x at the point x sub 1, y sub 1. Therefore, for this tangent line, the equation is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Moreover, the slope of the perpendicular line, this is the line, and we call this normal line, to the curve is negative 1 over m, where m is the slope of the tangent line at the point x sub 1, y sub 1. In other words, the slope of the normal line is the negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent line. And the equation of the normal line is this: y minus y sub 1 equals negative 1 over m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Let us see this example. Find the equations of the tangent line and normal line to the curve y equals 4 minus x squared at the point negative 1, 3. For our solution, the step 1 is find the slope m. So we write m equals f prime of x at the point x sub 1, y sub 1. So first, we're going to take the derivative of the curve. So we write here y prime is equal to the derivative of the constant 4 is 0, so we will not write anymore. The derivative of negative x squared is negative 2x. Next, let us substitute the value negative 1 to the x. And this negative 1 is the x coordinate of the given point. So we write m equals f prime of x at the point x sub 1, y sub 1 is equal to this negative 2x. So we write negative 2 times the x, now substituted by negative 1. So negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. This is the slope of the curve at the given point. This is also the slope of the tangent line at the given point. So for step 2, let us now find the equation of tangent line. Our standard form is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Substituting the corresponding values, we have now y minus 3 is equal to, the m here becomes 2, times the quantity x minus our x sub 1 is the negative 1. Simplifying the right side, the negative times negative becomes positive. So we have positive 1 here. Simplifying again the right side, we multiply the number 2 to the x and to the 1 respectively. So we have now 2x plus 2 in the right side. Now, this negative 3 here, let us transpose to the right. From negative, it becomes positive. And then, let us combine this positive 2 and the positive 3. So we have our final answer to be y equals 2x plus 5. This is the equation of the tangent line. Now for step 3, let us find the equation of normal line. So this is our standard form, and on this part, we are going to write the negative reciprocal of the slope here. Substituting the corresponding values, we have now y minus y sub 1 becomes 3 equals, the slope here now becomes negative 1 over 2 times the quantity x minus negative 1. Simplifying further, let us cross multiply the denominator 2 to the left side. So we have now 2 times the quantity y minus 3 equals negative 1 times the quantity x plus 1. Simplifying both sides, we have now 2y minus 6 equals negative x minus 1. Since we have here a negative x, let us transpose all terms of the right side going to the left. Of course, we know that the signs must be changed respectively. So we have now x plus 2y minus 6 plus 1 equals 0. Let us combine this negative 6 plus 1, so we have negative 5. So we have now our final answer for the equation of normal line. X plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. These are the answers for the tangent line and the normal line. Example 2. Find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of the function y equals 2 square root of x at the point 1, 2. Step 1. Let us find the slope, which is m. First, let us take the derivative. In our function here, it is given in radical. Let us rewrite this function into x with rational exponent. So we have y equals 2x raised to 1/2. Then we take the derivative. So we have 2 times 1/2 times x, that is raised to the power 1/2 minus 1. And then we can simplify, we can cancel these 2 with the denominator 2. And for the x, with negative 1/2 power. We can rationalize the negative exponent. So we have 1 over x raised to positive 1/2. And in the denominator, we return the radical. So we have 1 over square root of x. Next step, let us substitute the x value to get m, or to get the slope. So we have m equals 1 over square root of 1. Remember that the x value means the x coordinate of the point. Then we simplify further. The square root of 1 will be 1. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. This is the value of the slope. Now step 2. The equation of tangent line, we're going to use our point slope form. Let us substitute the corresponding values. Y sub 1 is the y coordinate here. The m is the value from step 1. And x sub 1 is our x coordinate. So we have y minus 2 equals 1 times the quantity x minus 1. We simplify the right side to be x minus 1. And then this negative 2 here, we transpose to the right. Negative 2 becomes positive 2, where we combine with negative 1. So finally, we have y equals x plus 1. This is the equation of tangent line. Example 3. Find the equation of the line tangent to the graph of f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 at x equals 0. Step 1, let us find the slope. Meaning, at first, we will take the derivative of the function. So we have f prime of x equals derivative of 3x squared is 6x. Derivative of 4x is plus 4. Derivative of 1 is 0, so we will not write anymore. Next, we're going to substitute the x value to get m. So m equals 6x becomes 6 times 0 plus 4. Remember that 0 here comes from the given value. Now we simplify further. 6 times 0 is 0, or simply we say that we cancel this. So m equals 4. For the step 2, let us first find the y coordinate. Meaning, let us take the f of 0. Again, the 0 here comes from the given. So when we evaluate, f of 0 is 3 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0 plus 1. Simplifying further, 0 squared is 0 and 0 times 3 is 0. Or simply we say that we can cancel this term. 4 times 0 is also 0, and we say that we can cancel this term also. So finally, f of 0 is 1. Now step 3, we write now the equation of tangent line using our point slope form. Y sub 1 here is the value of step 2. M is the value from step 1. X sub 1 is the value from the given. So we have now y minus 1 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 0. We can simplify the right side. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 0 is 0. So, we simplify further by putting this negative 1 on the right side. So, from negative, it becomes positive 1. Finally, the equation of tangent line is y equals 4x plus 1.